The first video is called "Does This Zone Makes Money? Prime Selling Space." We're going to explain to you what prime selling space is and why it's so important and why you actually want 80% of your products in that zone, and we'll explain why that's important. The second video is called the buy zone. So even though prime selling space is a big space, the buy zone is a smaller space, and you want to really put your high-end products or the ones that you sell the most in there, or the ones that you want people to see. The third video is called Stop This. Now, there are many things that I see retailers doing, and they are hindering sales, they're hindering traffic, they're creating zones where people are going to either trip or fall or feel so uncomfortable they're not going to go anywhere near the product. And you want to avoid those. So we'll explain that in that video. And then functional fixtures, video number 4, we're going to go into seeing what you need for good fixtures and how you can take and use your fixtures you've got now to make them more flexible, more functional, and to work for you instead of against you, and not to wasting any space. And then last of all, you're going to love retail again. I'm here to show you my repair and revive process that I'm offering for 2026, and I think you'll be really interested in how that can work for you and any other offers that we have that we're giving you for this time. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.